Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laundry detergents for sensitive skin that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Free and Clear Detergent. This product is designed specifically for individuals with sensitive skin, featuring a dermatologist-tested formula that is completely free of dyes, perfumes, and preservatives. Its hypoallergenic design is certified by Skin Safe, making it ideal for families looking to minimize exposure to common allergens. It uses the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda to deliver a deep clean without compromising on skin safety. The design of this detergent is practical, with a 140 flour-ounce bottle that delivers up to 140 loads, making it one of the highest capacity options in our lineup. Its unscented formula is perfect for those who prefer a fragrance-free washing experience. The detergent is compatible with HE washing machines and performs well even in cold water, which adds to its eco-friendly value. Additionally, it is septic system safe and includes biodegradable surfactants. While it's great for sensitive skin and offers excellent cleaning power, the lack of fragrance may not appeal to those who enjoy a fresh scent. Also, the bottle size might be a bit cumbersome for users with limited storage space. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective detergent on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is the All-Sensitive Fresh Spring Breeze Detergent. If you're looking for a hypoallergenic detergent that still offers a light, breezy scent, this product strikes a good balance. It's dermatologist-recommended and free of dyes, making it gentle on sensitive skin. The Spring Breeze scent is subtle and refreshing, which adds a touch of personality to your laundry without causing irritation. Design-wise, this detergent comes in an 82.5-liter-ounce bottle, capable of handling 110 loads. Its concentrated formula ensures you get more washes per bottle, and it's Safer Choice certified by the EPA, meaning it's not just safe for your skin, but also for the environment. It includes biodegradable surfactants and is septic system safe, making it a sustainable option. Another plus is its compatibility with HE washing machines and its effectiveness in cold water. While it performs well overall, those who prefer completely unscented detergents might find the Spring Breeze fragrance unnecessary. Additionally, its smaller bottle size compared to other contenders means you may need to restock more frequently. But for those who want a skin-friendly detergent with a light scent, this is a solid choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Plus Fresh Scent Detergent. This product combines the trusted cleaning power of Arm & Hammer baking soda with a dermatologist-tested formula designed for sensitive skin. Unlike its free and clear counterpart, this detergent includes a hypoallergenic fresh scent that has undergone rigorous clinical testing, ensuring it won't irritate your skin while still leaving your clothes smelling clean and pleasant. The design is compact and efficient, with a 105-liter bottle that delivers up to 105 loads. Its 2x concentrated formula provides powerful stain-fighting capabilities, making it a great choice for households with active lifestyles or kids prone to messy spills. It's compatible with both HE and standard washing machines and works well in cold water, which enhances its energy efficiency. While it's an excellent performer, the fresh scent may not be ideal for those who prefer completely fragrance-free options. Additionally, its load capacity is slightly lower compared to other options on this list. Overall, if you're looking for a detergent that offers great cleaning power, along with a gentle fragrance, this is a fantastic choice. In second place, we have the 7th generation Free and Clear Concentrated Laundry Detergent. This is a powerhouse product with a triple enzyme formula that targets tough stains while remaining gentle on sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and EPA Safer Choice certified, making it one of the most environmentally conscious options available. With USDA certification for being 96% bio-based, this detergent is perfect for eco-conscious consumers. The design of this detergent is compact yet powerful. Each 40 fluid-ounce bottle provides 53 loads, and this pack of 2 gives you a total of 106 washes. The concentrated formula means you use less product per load, which is both economical and sustainable. It's compatible with HE washing machines and works effectively in cold water, helping you save on energy costs. The only downside is the smaller bottle size, which might require more frequent purchases. Additionally, while it excels in cleaning performance, it lacks a scented option for those who prefer a fresh smell in their laundry. That said, 7th generation's commitment to safety and sustainability makes this an excellent choice for families with sensitive skin and a focus on eco-friendly living. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tide Simply Clean and Sensitive Laundry Detergent. This product stands out for its excellent balance of powerful cleaning capability and skin-friendly formula. Dermatologist-tested and dye-free, it's specifically designed for sensitive skin while offering a subtle, cool cotton scent that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Tide's reputation for stain removal is well-earned, and this detergent delivers twice the cleaning power of baking soda-based competitors. The design is sleek and efficient, with a 117 fluid-ounce bottle capable of handling 89 loads. Its formula is compatible with both HE and standard washing machines, and it works effectively in cold water, saving you energy without compromising performance. Users report that even stubborn stains come out after just one wash, making it a reliable choice for busy households. While Tide Simply Clean and Sensitive is slightly pricier than some competitors, its unmatched cleaning power and skin-friendly formula make it worth every penny. The only minor drawback is the smaller load capacity compared to some higher capacity options. But if you want a detergent that combines gentle care with a top-notch cleaning performance, this is the clear winner in our countdown. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.